game any second now. As you can see, guys, all of those free unlimited. Before we enter, guys, the whole process and how we can get this DLS 24 hack and receive all of those unlimited diamonds and unlimited coins, let me show you how your boy got them on its Dream League Soccer 2024 mobile game any second now. As you can see, guys, all of those free unlimited resources have been added to my account. Now my team can be totally insane. Let me now show you the full process and how we can get it. Let's go. Yo, and welcome back, YouTube, to my brand new tutorial. And in today's video, I will show you how you can get all of those free unlimited diamonds and free unlimited coins in Dream League Soccer 2024 with this Dream League Soccer 2024 hack. Guys, you can build your team of dreams. Of course, you can build whatever you want. You can buy whatever player you want. The season is over now. All player ratings are higher. The prices are higher also, so you will need your diamonds and you will need your coins. And I know how it gets when you spend and you don't have it, and you don't have enough time to play it and to, of course, buy all of those players. Now those days are over. You can build your team of dreams, as already mentioned. Now let me show you the full step-by-step process and how we can get it, which works for both iOS and Android devices. So let's go. Now, guys, comes to the part where I will show you how we can get this Dream League Soccer 2024 hack and, of course, get all of those unlimited diamonds and unlimited coins in it, which, as you saw, is out of this world, if you ask me, especially with the end of the season, guys. The price is all going up. Now you won't have to worry about it. So what we need to do is head over first to the App Store, Google Play Store if you're an Android user, and update DLS 24 to the latest version. So please make sure, guys, the DLS 24 is updated to the latest version so that we can continue forward and do a little bit of configuration in our settings. Right here, guys, I will enter up my battery into my battery section and make sure that low power mode is turned off. As for the Android users, the battery saver mode should be turned off. Then I will go to General, then background app refresh, and to make sure that background app refresh is on for Wi-Fi and cellular data. As you saw, guys, this is all pretty much straightforward and done very quickly. Now we'll enter up our browser. It doesn't matter which browser you use. What matters is to type in this address, which will lead us to this website right here. As you can see, guys, this cool looking website, which has all the answers for us. So we are searching for Dream League Soccer 24 or 2024 hack, which will be overwriting our already existing DLS 24 mobile game. That is why I mentioned that you need to update it to the latest version. So, guys, as you can see right here, I will enter up my username, then select the platform which I'm using. Of course, right after that, I will be selecting the unlimited gems, which I will be receiving, and the limited coins, which I will be, with the limited coins, which I will be receiving. Once I click on continue, that is it, guys. You will be having the Dream League Soccer 2024 mod installed to, overwrite your already existing Dream League Soccer 2024 mobile game. That is why I have asked you and told you to update it to the latest version and, of course, do all the other parts. And basically that is it. But, guys, it may appear that you will be redirected to one last part. There will be some simple apps or plugins which you need to install from the official App Store Google Play Store page. So basically what you need to do is make sure that you install those apps, do what it says from you in the description. It will be something like play this for 30 seconds. Then, guys, you will, of course, restart your mobile device once you've done 2 or 3 of them. And right after that, the Dream League Soccer 2024 mod will be on your mobile device and you will be having all of those free unlimited resources. I hope this was very useful for you, as it was for me, guys. If there are any questions, feel free to write in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. See you.